threw a big party. A big party was held to celebrate the finding of fish and chips. It was a great journey to find his brother and sister, and the bear was happy it was over. The king and queen invited the gummy bears to this royal party. They started to play music and dance happily ever after.